Hello and welcome to Strategic IT Solutions. In this video, I will show you how you can purchase a domain from AWS Route 53. So you'll first log into your console. Then you will go to Services and you will search for Route 53. Or you can just click on Route 53 that's in your history. So we'll click Route 53. And if this is your first time using Amazon Route 53, this will be the screen you're presented with. You will click on Domain Registration. Get started. The next thing you'll do is click Register Domain. And now you will search to see if that domain is actually available. So I am going to be searching for a domain. Let's check that one. And it is available. And we're going to use the domain extension .com. That is $12. .com is the most popular. It's the one that most people go with. Unless the domain name that they're looking for is not available in .com, they may opt to choose another domain extension such as .net, .org, or info. It all depends. So we will stick with .com and check. All right, so we're gonna do add to cart. So this is actually $12 per year. So Amazon will charge you $12 per year. You can actually set this up to auto renew. As you can see, the other domain extensions, there are different prices based on the domain extension. .us, $15. .accounts, $94. So there are different prices based on the extension that you choose. All right, so we have our domain for $12 in the cart, and we'll click continue. Now this information will be on the internet. Okay, so now you'll have to enter your contact information for the domain registry. This information may be public depending on the options that you choose. So this has privacy protection. So we're going to want to enable privacy protection so that your address, your email, your phone number, your private information does not get listed on the internet. Okay, so once you enter your contact information, you will want to ensure that privacy protection is enabled, and you will click continue. At this point, you should have received an email in your mailbox so that you can verify your email address from Amazon, from AWS Domain Registry. So if you receive an error when you click continue, you probably have not clicked that link in your email to verify. And here you have the option, do you want to automatically renew your domain? So you can either enable or disable that. Automatic enrollment simply means that next year at the same day, on the same day, they will renew your domain and they will charge you $12. That's basically what that means. So you want to click that you have read, and then you will complete your order. You should see a $12 charge on the credit card you entered when you created your AWS account. So you can click go to domains, and you will see your domain should be listed. It does say domain registration is in progress. So once this is completed, it could take a few hours to complete depending on the domain, but once it's done, you'll be able to go to register domains, and it will be listed here. And you'll be able to use your new domain to create any websites or anything that you need. I will show you guys a video on how you can create a DNS zone using your new domain in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel and click the thumbs up to like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.